Stage 3. Concrete operational stage. This stage is characterized by the ability of the child to think logically but only in the terms of concrete object. This covers approximately the age between 8 to 11 years old of the elementary school years. The concrete operational age is marked by the following. This stage, the 8 to 11 years old, the child can think logically. It is the stage where the child begins to think logically but only in real object. It means they already understand the cause and effect, and they also know how to organize ideas in the stage. So, for example, I will use real object like candy. I have 10 candy, and ihati na ko siya into 5 to 5. Ihatag na ko siya into different na bata. Sa lahi-lahi na bata, tig 5 sila. And the child will understand na it's still the same even if ihati na ko siya into 5 to 5, 10 yapon siya kabuo. In short, that children can solve problem or can think logically if naa sila makita na real object. Decentering. This refers to the ability of the child to perceive the different features of object and situations. No longer is the child focused or limited to one aspect or dimension. This allows the child to be more logical when dealing with concrete object and situation. Centering. This means the child learns to look at more than one features of an object or situation. They don't focus on one side anymore but consider different details to understand better. For example, this car toy is small pero bugat siya, and kani isa ka toy is dako siya pero gaan. And the child will think that the big size does not always mean heavier because there are small size is heavier than big size. Reversibility. During this stage of concrete operation, the child can now follow that certain operations can be done in reverse. For example, they can already comprehend the commutative property of addition, and the subtraction is the reverse of addition. They can also understand that a ball of clay shaped into a dinosaur can again be rolled back into a ball of clay. Reversibility means that during the concrete operational stage, around 7 to 11 years old, a child learned that actions or changes can be reversed, bringing things back to their original stage. Example of reverse is when you mold a ball of clay into stick or straight shape, you can reverse and make it again a ball of clay. This is the ability to know that certain properties of object like number, mass, volume, or area do not change even if there is a change in appearance. Because of the development of the child's ability of decentering and also reversibility, the concrete operational child can now rightly that the amount of water in a taller but narrower container is still the same as when the water was in the shorter but wider glass. The children progress to attain conversation abilities, gradually being a pre-conserver, a transitional thinker, and then a conserver. Ability of children to realize that certain properties like number, mass, volume, or area stay the same even if the appearance is changed. This skill developed because of the decentering and the reversibility during the concrete operational stage. For example, a clay, even if lahi-lahi una ko siya form, clay Japon siya even though lahi na yung shape, clay Japon ang gigamit. For example, ang clay is himuna ko siyang circle, stick, or i-shape na ko siya into tao. So, matawag Japon siya nga clay kay clay man ang gigamit sa iya. So, even if na-change ang shape niya, clay Japon siya. This refers to ability to order or arrange things in a series based on dimension such as weight, volume, or size. So, seriation is the ability of a child to arrange or organize objects in order based on a certain quality like size, weight, or volume. In short, kaya ng mga bata na maka-organize ng mga bagay based sa nakikita nila na mga object based sa size or weight of that object. Stage 4, Formal Operational Stage. In the final stage of formal operations cover age between 12 and 15 years, thinking becomes more logical. They can now solve abstract problems and can hypothesis. This age is characterized by the following. So, ang formal operational stage is mao ni siya ang stage which is the 12 to 15 years old na makathink og logically. Makasolve na sila og mga abstract problems and can do hypothesis. So, this age is characterized by the following, which is the hypothetical reasoning. This is the ability to come up with a different hypothesis about a problem and to gather and weight data in order to make final decisions or judgment. This can be done in absence of concrete objects. The individual can now deal with what-if questions. So, ang hypothetical reasoning is mao ni siya ang stage na hilig na kaayo ta mag pangutana sa tong sarili, daghan kitag what if. So, mao ni siya ang ability to think about possible situations or answer, even if they are not real or concrete. It means a person can imagine different what if scenarios, test them in their mind, and decide which makes the most sense. O ni siya ang stage na hilig na kaayo mag hunahuna og hilig na kaayo unag bagay, like daghan na kaayo what if sa atong mind, like what if mali akong gibuhat, and what if daghan pa day dapat buhaton nga wala na ako nabuhat. So mo na siya guys, makauna-una tag scenario sa atong utok. Analogical reasoning. This is the ability to perceive the relationship in one instance and then use that relationship to barrow down possible answers in another similar situation or problem. The individual in the formal operations can make an analogy. If United Kingdom is to Europe, the Philippines is to what? The individual will reason since the UK is found in the continent of Europe. Then the Philippines is found in what continent? Then Asia is the answer. So, the analogical reasoning is the ability to recognize relationship between two things and apply that same relationship to a new similar situation to find an answer. Mao ni siya ang ability na mag-recognize og relationship between two things. Then, using this relationship, pwede nimo ni siya i-apply into new para makakita kag answer, like comparing. Mag-compare siya duha ka bagay, and by comparing is dire siya makakita og idea or answer. Deductive reasoning. This is the ability to think logically, applying general rule to a particular instance or situation. For example, all countries near the North Pole, therefore Greenland has cold temperature. The deductive reasoning means starting with a general rule and applying it to a specific case to make a conclusion. In short, it is a logical approach or logical thinking progress from general ideas into a specific conclusion. For example, the general rule. All birds have feathers. So, ang birds daw is na ay feathers. So, sa specific case is a parrot is a bird. So, ang parrot daw is bird siya. And into conclusion, therefore, a parrot has feathers. So, kana siya is gina-combine lang na siya is ang bird is na feathers, ang parrot is a bird, and into conclusion, a parrot has feathers. That's all. Thank you.